Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add your Lloyds Bank card to Apple Pay. First, unlock your phone and open the Wallet app. On the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on Cards. This is where you can manage the bank cards linked to your device. Scroll down until you see the option for Apple Pay. Tap on it. You will now see a list of eligible cards connected to your account. Select the Lloyds Bank card that you want to add. After selecting the card, tap on Add. Then press Next to continue. Your phone will now contact the bank to check and verify your card details. This may take a few seconds. Next, you will be asked to review and accept the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read them, then tap Accept to move forward. After that, Lloyds Bank will verify your identity. This could be done through a text message, a code in your banking app, or another security method. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once the verification is complete and successful, your card will be added to Apple Pay. You can now use your Lloyds Bank card to make contactless payments with your iPhone. Thanks for watching.